We have black carbon, or the black powder that is released, but we also have a number of heavy metals like copper, like mercury, like lead, and they are exposed to the environment as well. They stay in the air, in the air that we breathe in those moments, but they also end up in parks, in forests, and in water. It's especially bad for human health because we have a high load of particle emission during those hours. People celebrate the New Year's Eve all around the world, and in many countries you don't have those fireworks so massively. Yeah, one alternative is to have a centralized firework done by a professional, because then we have much less waste, we have less dangers for anybody getting hurt.